Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this iZEEKER trail camera, and what this is going to do is hopefully be able to set this up somewhere and I can just keep an eye on a place where I am not through the cellular network here. So we have some 300 meg trial plan. This is a SIM card, I guess, for this, so that's what that'll be. So that'll go in there. Yep, SIM card device. We have our manual. We have our solar panel. We have a why is this plastic stuck on here? Okay, and then there is the camera, and so it's got the pan, tilt, zoom. It's got night vision camera. It's got the camera here and motion sensor. It's got all the mounting apparatuses here for it. So we've got this mounting apparatus, and we have this one here. I guess one's going to be for the camera, and one will be for the solar panel. So let's see. Well, this is for the camera, because you can see it slides in here. So the way it'll work is you'll screw this into a tree, to a wall, to whatever, and then you can take the camera and slide it on there, and then it looks like it'll clip into place. I'm not sure I want to really do that right now because I have to get it off, but that will be the concept of it. So that's cool. In the camera itself, on the bottom here, if you look at this, we have our SD card slot and SIM card slot, and it did come with a little SD card. It has 32 megs, or 32 gigs. So this will give us some recording on here, as well as, so it'll store it on here, and then when we connect through our SIM card, it'll give us our video to look at over that. And it looks like we can probably set it up like this here, this way. So it'll be there, and then we'll have our antennas for that. So we have a wire here. It looks like it's going to be a charging wire or data transfer, whatever, from USB to USB-C. And then we have our solar panel here, which looks like it has like a traditional kind of camera mount one here. So that's what this will connect up to. And then we can screw this into anything. So that's kind of cool. So we'll be able to hook it all up. And then here is the plug. It's like a USB-C plug, so that'll charge it up down here. So we'll just plug that in. Actually, not in there. Let's see where to plug that in. Maybe it plugs into one of these sides. Let me check it out. I'll figure out where this goes, because it's gonna have to plug in here somewhere. Oh, down here. So right in there is our plug location. So I'll put that up. So if you look at that, that's USB-C, and then if we did like this first cover here, we can kind of keep it waterproof and everything. It'll be plugged in from the bottom like that. So pretty cool, nice little camera. And I'm gonna go set this up, and we'll have some footage showing for you up here or somewhere. It'll be showing the footage as we're doing this. But nice little camera, and really seems like it's gonna work good for me. So we'll show you what the footage looks like up here or there. So there you go, thumbs up.